we have to derive the relation between molarity and normality. Relation between molarity and normality. As we know that the normality is equal to number of gram equivalent weight of solute divided by volume of solution. Now normality is equal to number of equivalent weight divided by volume. Let's take this equation first. Now number of equivalent weight is equal to what? Number of equivalent weight is equal to weight of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute. Let's take this equation second. Now what is equivalent weight of solute? So equivalent weight of solute is equal to molecular mass upon charge. Let's take this example, equation 3. Now from equation second and third, we get number of equivalent weight. This is equal to weight of solute. So weight of solute, that can be written W divided by equivalent weight of solute, that can be written as equivalent weight of solute molecular mass by charge. So molecular mass divided by charge in the upper side in multiplication charge. This can be equation 4. Now from equation 1 and 4, we get normality. This is normality is equal to number of equivalent weight, that can be written capital W, into charge divided by molecular mass. Into volume. Now normality is equal to weight, that can be written as weight by molecular mass into volume into charge this side. This can be equation 5. Now as we know that molarity of a solution is N by V, number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. Now molarity is equal to weight by molecular weight, that is N into V. That can be equation 6. From equation 5 and 6, this is equation 5. Now we put the value of W by molecular weight into volume here, that is called molarity into charge. So our relations comes normality is equal to, that can be molarity into charge, this charge. So this is the relation between normality and molarity.